Kumana na gukura gwa technology thiethete na bena gukundira na gutuka gicagi kinini undu ucungiririe bata aruto gutheo na ugi wa mkimabũrũri nigo makahota kumathamika guothe thiini wa thi. Mukaona mitaratara igi aciari maroneka gutwariria ciana ciao guthoma rungu rwa Cambridge mutaratara wote tatakiguni kinene goka ni kuhariria aruto gucindanira mieke mabũrũri-ini.
I'd say that students are extremely in love with this curriculum because of how engaging it is and the skills-focused approach that the curriculum has. So this ensures that our learners stay curious and learning becomes independent for them. Learning is also quite experiential because they engage with concepts in very practical levels. For trainers and educators, I'd say that this is a shift away from the traditional rote memorization where teaching is quite rigid. As a Cambridge teacher, one of your roles is to make your classroom a world of discovery. So this means that you're creating curiosity.
Kune thukuru wa Brookside mwena wa Kamulu, kura mutaratara wa Cambridge ukoretwo githomithia na kurigana mwarimu Caroline wa Ngui, aciari mathamirie ciana cia mutatani uyu amugire maramukira guku ndio mahotithia kurikana thiini wa thi.
Na gitumi kiria kiratuma aciari ingi mahimbirie international curriculum ni tondu ni mamenyete international curriculum cannot be a preserve of a few. Niguo ciana ciao cihote gu compete na ciana iria ingi mabũrũri-ini maria mangi no nginya mamahe the competitive edge to be able to compete effectively. Na
aruto makiuga ni mutaratara ura mahe mweke wa kuthomera kiria mendete na kuigana na aruna ao mabũrũri-ini mangi.
The Cambridge system helps me acquire key skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, and international research, which is what employers worldwide are looking for. And it is also recognized by international companies and universities such as Yale and Oxford, which puts me a step ahead of my peers when it comes to looking for employment in the school.
Niguo kuhe aruto rungu rwa mutaratara wa CB mweke gukinyiria aruto wa Cambridge, thirikari yorite guthaya arutani na mathomo ma mwanya mari university niguo kumahotithia gutwarana na mahinda ma kuhe aruto ugi uria uratabania.
If you look at the cost, definitely Cambridge is quite expensive in terms of resources because their books are very expensive. But that you find that most parents are actually embracing Cambridge because of quite a number of benefits. One, our parents are very deliberate. They know what they want for their kids. Bearing in mind that Cambridge is a system that has been there for years. So
Rifotera Inoro TV, Jitago Joki, Wakamade.